I surprised myself. I went back and I found an engine. This is this is a this is one of my really nice engines. It's my favorite. Leon painted this for me. It's a 2014. That's the year of Corvette. It's a Corvette streamline steam engine, and it does not have smoke. It just has a motor. It has a DC Fields motor, and they are the American Flyer, the plastic. I don't know, I had them here a minute ago, but they're the plastic like this, like these kinds of Fields with the magnets on the sides, and that's the motor that it has inside it. But it's a royal blue that's been repainted white with black and red trim, and it's a tribute to my number 2014, a year model 2014 Corvette. See, that red light comes on, comes off, change directions. And take it up. Take it up, Hoss. Okay, there you go. So that's a royal blue chassis and body converted to DC, and it does have a tender, so this would fit in there perfectly. This will fit, well, I shouldn't say the northern tender, because that northern tender is tight at the bottom. I'll check and see. That may or may not fit. I'll find out and let you know. I know it'll fit in the Hudson, because in fact the big green guy has a Hudson tender painted to match it, so it's a mismatch. But Margaret doesn't care. She just loves Wizard of Oz, so she wanted that engine. All right, I'll root around. I only have a few minutes. Maybe I'll find another engine I can throw in here and let you see how this thing would work with other engines. All right, more later.